Alright, we're diagnosed with a bad AC blower. 2014 Toyota Sienna. Let's turn it on. Brrr. Hear that? And it keeps vibrating after you stop and stops again. Okay, it definitely sounds bad. I have the youth. He's going to do his DIY project, so let's look at the new part. Got this off of Amazon. Oh, it looks like it's upside down. Okay. I don't know if that's supposed to spin freely. Guess not. Simple change. You have 3 screws, see the holes on the outside, and then you have a clip. Okay, so we can do that. I'm climbing underneath there, but while we're at it, we're going to learn how to take the glove compartment out also. Okay, first thing we're going to do is pull that pin out, the one that's going down, maybe, and pull it out to the edge. Pull it out from the pin. Okay, you got it off of there? Alright, then you're going to come in here to the glove box, and you're going to push in on this side and push back. No, wait, no. You're going to pull this in, pull this in, and then push this back, so you're bending it. No, up top. Push it to the back. Bend it in and push the other one back. So, pull this in and you push this back. That's it. And back. There. Alright, and then the glove box drops off. Pick it up. Take them both 2 hands. Put it in the back seat. So there's where you change the cabin filter, and the motor blower's right back here. So we're going to have to look from up underneath here. Let's take a look underneath there. There it is, see it? You have 3 screws. And a plug. So the Ute couldn't do it. It's too tight a space down here for him. Let's pull the plug out. A little tab here in the front. Alright, I'm going to try to get a screwdriver to push that tab in because my fingers are not cutting it. Alright, got it. I guess all these cylinders aren't the same. There's hardly any room below this to get a drill in, so I got my 90-degree turner. I'm going to try. Goes out the end of the drill. Comes right off. Try this one here. That one. It's really hard to see. There's not much space to even get your head underneath here. Come on, Homer. By the way, we got this part for 80 bucks with a 3-year warranty. The dealer wanted 500 bucks. Got that screw mostly out. Should have taken the back screw out first. There we go. Now the whole thing's going to fall down. Alright. There we go. Where's the new part? Right here. Spins about the same. All right, you have to remember that the piece has to fit in there. This little piece right here. So I'm just going to push it up in there and get the screws started. I got them started. Got that plugged into the right spot. Still loose. I'm going to tighten them up. Let's get this plug in. This plug is in a different direction. That's interesting. Coming out to the front. That's awkward. I didn't pay attention to that. I would have put it in first. Ugh. On the picture when you're buying something you don't pay attention to. Come on, get in there. There we go. Got it. Okay, yeah, the other one, it pops. The hole is downward. Okay, let me do a manual tighten on all the screws. Make sure we're in there. Yeah, I've used this many times. Right angle drill bit helped a lot. Okay, before you try to put it back in, let's inspect it. You might look at the bottom of it. See the opening here? That has to go on the opening on the frame down there. See it?
Yeah.
And make sure that the pin on the side, on the right side, isn't getting hung up on that hoop over there. So go down lower. Just push it in. They just push in. They should snap in a little bit. Maybe they don't snap in. Just get them both in. Now lift up. Lift up. There you go. Make sure the pin is clear. We'll put that on last. Okay, you have to push in on the sides just a little bit and push. Yep, go ahead.
Is it okay with these clips?
You have to, yeah, it looks like it. Push on both sides at the same time. There you go. Go all the way in. It stretches down some. Okay. Now you can just hold it a little bit. There you go. Now push it on. Perfect. 6'4" youth gets a pass because it's hard for somebody with big broad shoulders to fit down there. He couldn't fit. He couldn't get his head underneath there. So, FYI.